Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So one thing that I know that I've worked on is my mindset. I talk about that a lot. You have to see it first in your mind before it's going to materialize in the physical. I know that may sound like a lot of hocus pocus, but it really isn't. It's true. Once you visualize it, it can actually happen. Now, I love having my plans for the year. The one thing I've learned is shortening my vision, making sure that I focus on a smaller set of time instead of a large. So why don't you try this? We've got about 12 weeks left in the year, around in there, 12, 13 weeks, something like that. What I want you to do is I want you, whether it's at the end of the year or the beginning of the year, I want you to focus on 12-week increments. Really pay attention to 12 weeks. There's a book that I have read that was fantastic when it talks about not making long-term goals until you have short-term goals that really correspond with the long-term. And that means if your short-term goal is to get a contract, whether it be government or commercial, make sure you do what is necessary every single day. It's the effort, the energy, and the consistent and the discipline in executing what you say you're going to do that will cut and shorten the time frame for you winning your first cover, whether it's a government contract or whether it's a commercial contract, your first contract. So what I'd love you to do is I'd love you to attend my masterclass. I have an actual masterclass on what you need to do to win your first government cleaning contract. And I'm going to go step by step on the 3 pillars on how to do that. That's what I'm looking forward to you doing. I want you to win your first contract before the end of this year. So what we can do is we can focus and make sure we implement a lot of the small goals that we've set to end up having the long-term effects. If that sounds good, then I'd love to see you through my masterclass. It's going to really show you what you need to do to win your very first government cleaning contract. So what do you need to do now? You need to click to register. Make sure you're there. Bring your pen, your paper, your favorite beverage, of course, yourself and your questions. I'm going to answer all your questions there on the spot. So until next time, make sure you be safe and take care. Bye-bye.